Building retail counters inside the store is an art. Using the maximum carpet area of the store is a key. Bringing maximum space for retail is beneficial for the retail owner. I am going to tell you few key pointers which will help you to plan your store well. So the first point is using maximum carpet area. Use maximum ceiling height of the store so that you can use maximum air space for storage. Using maximum wall space by placing fixtures. Aisle space should have sufficient space for customers to walk, but in balanced space place fixtures in the middle part of the store.
Cash counters should be minimum of 2 to 3 for customer satisfaction. Cash counters should be placed at the beginning of one side of the store.
It should not take more than 80 to 100 square feet of the store. For groceries, stores use cash POS fixtures, which should have sufficient place to put stocks for billing. Always place fixtures behind and at the POS machine for impulse buying.
You can connect to us for retail business advisory to help you plan retail strategy efficiently for good profitability in your store. Wrongly open store only suck cash and never deliver profit. All the best.